Hi and welcome to Nick Well Motorhomes. I'm Andy and this is the Roller Team Livingstone 6 Sport. Now it's a 6-metre van conversion on a Fiat Ducato. It's a 140 manual. It's got 4 travel seats and technically 2 berths. I'll explain more of that when we go inside, but it's big beds, so well, I'll see what you think. But let's have a look around the outside and we'll go from there. Now like I say, it's 2024, it's done 4,000 miles just under. Fiat Ducato. You've got these lovely black Fiat alloy wheels. On the roof we have a solar panel and we have a TV aerial. There's your electric hookup point. It's remote control central locking as well. Cassette toilet. Flue for your heating. Now you must remember when you do your heating, pop your hand on there and release. There we go. This one has a tow bar fitted to it. You can see you've got electrics there as well. Now, as you can see in the back, this makes up into a huge bed. You've got this extra piece, so it's technically 2 singles. You don't have to have this middle piece. You can have the walkway running right the way through, which gives you loads of garage space. Or you can put this secondary piece in, which we'll do when we go inside, and that makes up into a bed that you could easily sleep 3 adults on, or you could probably sleep 4 across it transverse, because it is so big. So it gives you options. You can travel for, and technically I suppose you could sleep for. But like I say, I'd leave that to your own judgment. Now as we go round, water filler just there, and of course we've got the awning and we've got this nice big LED awning light as well. This is an interesting piece just here, and I'll show you what that's for in a second. And of course we've got our fly screen on the habitation door. Now, big issue with van conversions tends to be storage, and when you've got to take things like a secondary table, it can be a problem. But not so much in the Livingstone, because what you can do is we can take this table off this wall like so. That just then hooks onto there. We have our table outside. Now you've got the extender on there as well, so again you can dine quite a few people, and it's lovely because it's underneath the awning. It's where you'd probably put your table anyway, so why take a secondary table along with you? Now when we go in, we've got 2 captain seats here. Now these swivel very easily. There's a catch just on the side of the seat, and you just turn that and literally swivel it round. Same on the passenger side, so you just literally swivel. I mean, it is as easy as that. We have an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto media centre. We have full cab blinds on the side windows and on the windscreen. Aircon, traction plus, hill descent, 6-speed manual gearbox, as you can see just there. We've got cruise control, you've got electric mirrors, you've got electric windows. Yeah, you've got all the toys that you're actually going to need. Underneath here, we've got a little bit more storage. And then as we're coming through, the first thing that you can see is there isn't the storage above, but you've got a lot more headroom, so it makes it feel more open. You do have the skylights, you have the windows either side. Got your TV prep here and a TV bracket. More storage just there. Now this is an interesting little thing, your fridge. Now, as we've already said, you've got your table just here. So you sat there on a nice hot summer's day and you really can't be bothered to get into the van to go and get yourself a drink. Well, not a problem, because with your compressor fridge, you can open it this way. Or of course, if you're in the van because it's pouring down a rain on a cold, windy Scottish night, well, then you just open it that way and you get your drink out from there. It's a little thing, but it makes a difference. And again, you've got this nice light here that just turns on from that switch, and it does the same on the interior. As we go through more, you'll see just up here we've got 230 volts, you've got your light switches, more storage just in there, 1 gas hob and your sink. But what you have got in here, which you don't usually get in the vans, is an oven, and that's an oven grill just down there as well. So again, it's a good size. Washroom is just here. Now I'm going to shuffle through and allow Mia to have a good look in there. Now, your toilet obviously all swivels round, but where it's clever is obviously you've got your shower curtain there, but you have got a window and you've also got a mushroom vent. But we've got storage just in there. And there's your sink. So again, your washroom is, they make the most of the space available. Mirror just on that door, and again you've got your towel hooks just over there as well. Now in the back, more storage here, TV area there, and your amplifier. More storage, you'll get used to this, and more storage. Reading lights just here, and you'll see you've got your USB just in there as well, so you can charge your phone up overnight. Now, same on that side as well. That's when you're running it as the 2. You've also got, like I say, your awning brace just down here, and you've got lots of storage underneath. Now, these can be folded up and locked off, so it will give you far more storage here. So if you're using it more as a van, you can. But you can also, same as you got on this one, turn it into a far larger bed. So that just slots in there. We take this piece and we come down. Make sure I get it on the right side. There you go. So that will just hook on to there like so. Same on this side. And once you've got that in, that piece just goes in. Now, as I said to you, you can fit 3 adults on there, or if you were sleeping across the van, you could probably fit a couple of adults and a couple of kids. It makes the most of the space that's available, and it does it very, very well. So there you have it, the Roller Team Livingstone 6, a 6-metre van conversion, 2024, that's done just around about 4,000 miles. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed.